Hi everyone, how are you? Today I would like to explain matrices concept. What is matrix? A rectangular arrangement of numbers in a rows and columns is called matrix. This arrangement is enclosed by open or closed brackets. Numbers which may be real or complex numbers. Okay, I give one example. So what is the matrix? A rectangular arrangement of numbers in a rows and columns. Is called as matrix. Okay, numbers which may be real or complex numbers, which may be real or complex numbers. Real or complex numbers. This arrangement is enclosed by open or closed brackets. Open or closed brackets. Okay, I give one example. This is the one of the matrix. This arrangement enclosed by closed bracket, okay, or open bracket. So this is also one of the matrix. This arrangement enclosed by open brackets. So numbers which may be real or complex numbers, like 1 plus 2i, 5, 6. This is one of the matrix. Okay, and etc. Okay, like example, C equal to A, B, C, D, small letters. Like D is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So A11 means first row, first column element. This is A12 means first row, second column element. A21 is second row, first column element. A22 is second row, second column element. Okay. Okay. Now explain order of the matrix. So what is the order of the matrix? A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m into n, is read as m by n. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m into n, m cross n. This read as m by n. Is read as m by n. I give one example. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, how many rows are there? In this matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, this is the 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is in this matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. So matrix having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This matrix having how many rows? In this matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns. This order is 2 by 3. So order of this is 2 by 2. So order of 3 by 3, order of 2 by 3 matrix. This matrix is called square matrix. This is also same square matrix. This is rectangular matrix. If the number of rows equal to number of columns is called square matrix. Okay, first two square matrices. Next one is rectangular matrix. The number of rows not equal to the number of columns, then the matrix is called rectangular matrix. I give one more example. So let us take A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the 2 by 2 square matrix. In this matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns, where A11 is first row first column element, A12 first row second column, A21 is to second row first column, A22 is second row second column elements. I give one more example. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay. Therefore, Aij, the element Aij is the element Aij in a matrix A belongs to. So what is Aij means? Ith row jth column element. Ith row and jth column element. Where Aij means ith row jth column. A11 means first row first column. A12 first row second column. Okay, in the same way, Aij means ith row jth column element. Okay, now explain types of matrices. Types of matrices. So this order. So let us take one M by N matrix. M by N matrix. So first type row matrix. Row matrix. Okay. Second one is column matrix. Next one is singleton matrix. Next one is zero matrix. Okay, next one is rectangular matrix. Next one is square matrix. Okay. What is the row matrix? So in this row matrix means a matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row and any number of columns. If it has only one row and any number of columns. Any number of columns. I give one example. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the row matrix. In this matrix having only one row and 4 columns. Okay. In this M equal to 1, where M by N, M indicate the number of rows, where M indicate the number of rows, N indicate the number of columns. So in this matrix M value 1. So 1 by, this order is order of this matrix 1 by 4. Okay, what is the condition? Row matrix means M equal to 1. If it has only one row and any number of columns. So what is the column matrix? If it has only one column and any number of rows. If it has only one column and any number of rows. Okay, in this N equal to 1. In this condition N equal to 1. So I give an example. So B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this matrix having 4 rows and 1 column. 4 by 1 matrix. What is the singleton matrix? What is the singleton matrix? A matrix having only one element. A matrix having only one element like this is. This is singleton matrix. This is 1 by 1 matrix. This is Aij, 1 by 1. A matrix having only one element. A matrix having only one element is called singleton matrix. What is the zero matrix? A matrix having all elements are zeros. A matrix having all elements are zeros. Like example, zero matrix or null matrix. So denoted by O letter, zero or null matrix. So this is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. All elements are zeros. Okay. So rectangular matrix. If the number of rows and the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns, m not equal to n, this condition. M not equal to n. If the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns, is called rectangular matrix. The number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called rectangular matrix. So what is the square matrix? If the number of rows equal to the number of columns, if the number of rows equal to the number of columns is called square matrix. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called square matrix. Okay. So rectangular matrices are two types. One is horizontal matrix, second one is vertical matrix. Okay. Next, rectangular matrix. M not equal to n. If the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called rectangular matrix. These are two types. One is horizontal matrix. Second one is vertical matrix. So what is the horizontal matrix? I give one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the horizontal matrix. This order is 2 by 3. Okay, this order of this matrix is 2 by 3. The number of rows 2, the number of columns 3. In this the number of rows is less than number of columns. The number of rows is less than the number of columns. So what is the condition? M less than n. In vertical matrix, I give one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is vertical matrix. This order of the vertical matrix is 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. In this 3 greater than 2. Okay. So this condition is M greater than n. So what is the definition of horizontal matrix? The number of rows, the number of columns is more than the number of rows. The number of columns is more, the number of columns are more than the number of rows. So this is M less than n. So M less than n means the number of columns is more than the number of rows is called horizontal matrix. So what is the vertical matrix? The number of rows is more than the number of columns. The number of rows are more than the number of columns is called vertical matrix. Okay. Okay. So what is the square matrix? The number of rows equal to the number of columns. So M equal to n. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called square matrix. I give one example. A equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 2 by 2 square matrix. Okay. B equal to 1 1 1 1 1. This is the one of the square matrix 3 by 3. Okay. Now explain diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrices are two types, three types. Diagonal matrices are three types. One is scalar matrix. Second one is unit matrix. Third one is triangular matrix. Okay. So diagonal matrices are three types: scalar matrix, unit matrix, and triangular matrix. Thank you for watching. Remaining concept I will explain on next class.